Toxicology, detection, identification and measurement of xenobiotics in biological and other specimens. Analytical method, set of techniques that qualitatively identify and isolate and quantitatively detect the composition of any material and chemical state in which it is located. Chromatography, a physical method of separation in which the components are separated based on their differential interaction distributed between two phases, a mobile phase and stationary phase. The mixture is dissolved in a fluid, mobile phase, which carries through a structure holding another material, stationary phase. The various constituents of the mixture travels at a different speed, causing them to separate. Separation is based on differential partitioning between the mobile and stationary phase. Instrument that is used to perform a separation in chromatography is known as a chromatograph. For instance, the gas chromatography instrument is a gas chromatograph. Technique based on chromatography bed shape. Column chromatography, separation technique in which a stationary bed is within a tube. Planar chromatography, separation technique in which a stationary phase is present as on a plane. Plane can be a paper chromatography or a layer of solid particles spread on a support such as glass plate, thin layer chromatography. Techniques by physical state of mobile phase, gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, thin layer chromatography is a widely used laboratory technique to separate different biochemicals on the basis of their relative attraction to the stationary and mobile phases. Stationary phase involves the use of a thin layer of absorbent like silica gel, alumina, or a cellulose on a metal, plastic, or glass plate. It is routinely used to identify and compare samples of drugs, explosive, inks, and biological samples such as saliva, urine, blood for the presence of drug. Various hypnotic, sedative, anticonvulsant, tranquilizers, antihistamine, steroid can be tested qualitatively. Gas chromatography, gas liquid chromatography is a separation technique in which the mobile phase is a gas. Gas chromatographic separation is always carried out in a column. Gas liquid chromatography is widely used for analysis of body fluid for the presence of illegal substances, testing a fiber and blood from a crime scene, and to detect residue from explosives. Liquid chromatography is a separation technique in which a mobile phase is a liquid. It can be carried out either in column or a plane. Present day liquid chromatography that generally utilize very small packing particles and relatively high pressure is referred to as a high performance liquid chromatography. In high performance liquid chromatography, the sample is forced by a liquid at a high pressure mobile phase through a column that is packed with a stationary phase composed of irregularly or spherically shaped particles or a porous membrane. HPLC used in identification and quantification of illegal and therapeutic drugs, urine testing for performance enhancing drugs, pesticide and other organic poison from body fluid, explosive and ink analysis and fibers. Atomic absorption spectroscopy is a spectroanalytical procedure for the quantitative determination elements using the absorption of radiation light by free atoms in the gaseous state. In atomic absorption spectrometry, total amount of absorption depends upon the number of free atoms present and the degree to which the free atoms absorb the radiation. At the high temperature of the absorption, atomic absorption flame, which may be either oxyacetylene or nitrous oxide acetylene, the sample is broken down into atoms and is the concentration of these atoms that is measured. Atomic absorption spectroscopy is used for gunshot powder residue analysis and toxicology examination in suspected heavy metal poisoning cases. Thank you.